Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing Cup Song by Pitch Perfect. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. I got my ticket for the long way round, 2 bottle whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company, and I'm leaving tomorrow. What do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Right before I go, shout out to Sonia. Follow her Instagram, IWillEatYou_, and then her Twitter, which is Tawari, @TawariSonia. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.